guys, it's Jen Lefforge. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you're here. If you've been around a while, welcome back. If you're new, I hope that you'll like what you see here. We talk about running and Disney and lots of fun things. We do giveaways. We just have a great time together. So subscribe, hit that little bell notification, and you won't miss a thing. So I'm so excited. So I just got back into town last night, and this package was sitting there. Now, what happened was, a few months back, a couple months ago, my friend Jen from Jen's Happy Home, her channel's amazing, I'll put the link below, mentioned Lindsay from Ears to Mickey, because she actually won something from Lindsay. Lindsay's this great vlogger that has been doing monthly giveaways for a minute now, and they're super fun. So I entered for her May giveaway, and I won! So, so grateful, Lindsay. Thank you so much. I kind of know what's in this box because she already did the video. I'll put the link below where she talks about it. She's probably gonna be way cuter than I am because she just is. But the box is here, and I'm gonna open that in just a minute, but I have a couple other things to show you, and before I get into any of that, I wanna give a huge congratulations to Nancy R. Nancy was the winner of the Alex and Ani bracelet that I did for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, which was just, I love giving stuff away, as you guys know, and giving away something like that Alex and Ani bracelet, that is just a really big deal. So Nancy, that is actually on its way to you. We've already connected on email. Thank you to everybody who participated. We had 131 entries, and that just makes my heart happy. So if you didn't win, if you go back to that video, there is a link, and I think it might even still be on sale at the Shop Disney, or Shop Disney website, shopdisney.com. So I'll put a link to that video right here, and I'll also put the link directly to the bracelet below so you have that. So the other fun thing I got in the mail, this has just been like, okay, I'm just gonna be really transparent. I was out of town doing some things that were not so easy in regards to another thing that's going on in my life. It's basically a thing that this is my escape from that thing. And when I came home to all this really fun Disney mail, it sort of made my day. So the first thing that came since I was with you guys last time was my amazing shirt that I'm wearing. Look how cute that is. Is that just the most darling thing? It says Safari. So get it, it's like Atari, but it's the Tree of Life, and then it has just the really fun circles. I bought this from Neverland Threads. If you know Jenny and Frank, they're the Neverland family, and this is their t-shirt shop. So I'll put a link below to that if you want it. She was sold out in the mediums. This is the small. And I'll have to, Jenny, if you're watching, maybe you can comment if you guys got any of these back in, because this shirt in particular, loved it. And I didn't have an Animal Kingdom shirt for our upcoming trip, so I'm super excited about that. So also, my friend Brandy, who is so talented, y'all, and I've been bugging her to open an Etsy shop, but she hasn't done it. She needs to do it, but she heard about me running the Disneyland Paris half in September, and it's villain themed. The half marathon is villain themed, and I decided to go as Maleficent, and she made this shirt for me. It's a little bit wrinkled, I need to steam it out, but it's a little green tank, the kind I like too, because it's a little bit longer and it kind of flounces a little bit. But can you see that? It is Maleficent in all of her glory, and it's sparkly, just spectacular. Cannot wait. I'm definitely gonna wear this when we go to the parks in a couple weeks in Orlando, and then I will for sure be wearing this in Paris. I think Brandy takes orders. I'm gonna get a link if she does and put it below. And Brandy, you really need to open that Etsy shop because this is just darling and I love it. And then my friend Sarah heard I was running and that I wanted to go as Maleficent, and she happened to have a running costume that she bought that has a Raw Threads shirt with it. You guys have heard me talk about Raw Threads before. I love their shirts because they're great to run in, but they're also great to go to the parks when it's really hot. And this is the top. It says Evil Fairy on the front, and on the back it has kind of her when she's the dragon. So it has the dragon wings, and then it says run down here. So that's the top I'll be wearing to run the half marathon at Disneyland Paris. This is the skirt. I'm looking because there's also a little, see how it's got the purple on the front? This one I think is by Sparkle Athletic, and it's got the shorts below, and the shorts have a little pocket in them for your cell phone. And then I also brought down Okay, sorry about that, I'm back. And then this is the little red tassel that will go around my waist. So you know Maleficent, she has the purple robe and the little red tassel. So look how pretty that is. Can you see the detail on that? It's all sparkly. And then there are these red compression calf sleeves that go with it as well. So I think I am going to be set as Maleficent. And I mean, Sarah was so sweet. She was like, yeah, I'll just send it to you, no problem. So that's what I'll be running in. What's interesting is you're not supposed to run a race in something that you haven't actually worn for a training run. So me running around our small town wearing this will be very interesting. You might see me in somebody else's post like, look at this crazy lady. Okay, so those I'm super excited about. Now, let's open our big package. So I literally have not even like I'm gonna scoot you guys back just a little bit. I haven't even undone it yet, so I'm just gonna prove to you, how much restraint I have. Here's the box, look. Haven't even cut the tape open yet. And you have to understand, I am a person who loves presents. Now, Lindsay didn't really send me a present. I mean, well, she did. I won a giveaway. But to open presents is maybe my favorite thing on earth. Like Christmas, birthdays. Nobody sent me a gift card ever. I don't ever want gift cards. I only want actual presents that I can open because opening presents is my favorite. Okay. I've got, oh my gosh! Lindsay! Okay. Ah! Okay, hold on. I'm gonna cut my hand trying to open this thing. Okay. All right. So this first item that is in this giveaway was the thing I was most excited about. And it's not that the other things aren't adorable too, but look. Oh my gosh! So they are black mini ears. They have like cheetah print. Is that cheetah? I think it's cheetah. I have wanted, y'all don't understand. I have wanted Animal Kingdom ears forever, but I never liked them because have you noticed like the ones that they sell in the parks that have the animal print on the ear part, they don't have a bow, and I don't like the mini ears without the bow. I just feel like they look incomplete. So I saw these and I was like, okay, if I don't win that, I am for sure getting those ears. So I'm gonna cut the tag off because ain't nobody getting these but me. These babies are going with me to Disney. You are going with me to Disney. Okay, hold on. Do y'all cut these off? I feel like it's a thing not to cut these off, kind of like guys and the baseball caps and leaving the authentic sticker on. Because it's weird to me to leave the tag on, but then you can't really cut it off without it leaving. Oh my gosh. Do you love those? I love those ears. Okay, that's the first thing. That's only the first thing. That would have been enough. I also won zebra stripe popcorn from Animal Kingdom. And when she did the original video, she was laughing because we weren't sure if this was expired or not, but I will be double checking. Zebra stripe popcorn, which looks amazing. There is, ooh, okay, I'm gonna save that for the end. Oh, there's a little card. Okay, it says, Jen, thank you so much for supporting my channel and interacting on my page. It means the world to me. I hope you enjoy the goodies. I'm really bad at packing. I hope everything is safe. Look how sweet she is. And she sent me this awesome postcard that is, of course, Animal Kingdom themed. Lindsay, spot on, girl, with the theming. Okay, so then I got this Mickey Zebra Rice Krispie treat. Num, 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 num. Love that. I'm gonna save these because that's exciting too. And then this, I was super, oh God, I forgot about this. You know what's fun is when you win something and you forget what you won and then it comes and you're just like, what? Okay, so I have, see, y'all see this picture? Oh God, it helps if I'm not in front of it. See this picture right here? I have a smaller print of that. That's our family in front of the Tree of Life that I think would work perfect in here. Look at this. It is an Animal Kingdom picture frame. And I don't know if it's reading that it's etched on the top and on the bottom, but that is just darling. So we're gonna put that, you know, like that might go like right here. We're gonna put that back there somewhere. And then I got, before I show you the last thing, this amazing beach towel. Look at that. So if you love animal print and you love Mickey like I do, this is an amazing towel. So I'm super excited about that. I actually needed a new towel. I like beach towels that are super distinctive because then especially when you're at the Disney parks and everybody's chairs are out and you can find yours really easy. So I love this. And it's not too thick, so I might even pack it when we go in 2 weeks. Okay, so then the last item that was in here is a mystery collection pin and a regular Animal Kingdom pin. Okay, before I show you guys these, I have to tell you a little bit of our background with pins. My boys have pin traded since they were really, really little. It was kind of like how we taught them social skills. They would interact with the cast members. We have so many great memories. So we have this extensive pin collection, partly because we were at Wilderness Lodge years ago, and my son lost his pins and he had them in a bag, and we had gone to Roaring Forks for lunch and he misplaced it. He was devastated. We checked out, we'd gone into the parks for the day, and our flight didn't leave until later that day. He was upset all day about it. We were really working through, I mean, it was good for character building, right? Because we were talking about resilience and moving forward from disappointment. So we get a call from Wilderness Lodge and it says, we have a package for you. So we were like, oh my gosh, they found his pins. We didn't know. So we went back to Wilderness Lodge, we went to the front desk, and one of the cast members, and one of these days I'll do a whole video just on the binder so that y'all can see it, gifted my son, because they had chatted for a while, and I don't remember his name now, but we did write letters when it happened, gifted my child with a cast member exclusive binder filled with pins. I think we counted, he gave him almost 150 pins or something ridiculous like that, many of which were cast member exclusives. There were ones that were like only given to the Imagineers who built Disneyland Paris. There were cast member party exclusive pins. We've got pins in there that he would never have had access to. And it came in this gorgeous like leather satchel looking binder. And so pins to us are just representative of everything we love about Disney, everything we love about the cast members. That cast member in particular really blew our minds. And then the best part of the story was later on, they ended up finding the pins and we got his original pins back as well. And now we have this great story to share. So pins are a big deal. In fact, I'm gonna be trading, I have my lanyard here. I'm gonna be trading on our next trip. I haven't pin traded in a long time because I did it for the kids, but my oldest has a few that he's okay with trading, and I'm like, okay, we're gonna trade on this next trip. So I have my, kind of my trading lanyard all ready to go. So these are the pins that it's not that I don't love them, it's just they're ones that I'm okay with trading, because we have some that are like complete sets, and then these are sort of random ones that don't fit. So I have lots of fun pins on here. This is probably the one that I love the most, that I feel the worst. I don't know if that's gonna focus. Someday I'm gonna learn how to do this, but it has like Mickey and Minnie and all the different Mickey words on it. It's kind of sparkly. I'm not sure I'll trade that one, but anyway. So when there was pins in here, I got super excited. So the first pin that I'm getting, it says Animal Kingdom, and does it say 2018? Yeah, it does. Oh no, does it? Oh, you know what, you guys? It's not Animal Kingdom 2018, it's Animal Kingdom 20. This is from the 20th anniversary. Lindsay! Limited release, and you can see it right there. And then it says on there, let me put it right there so you can really see it good. Look at that. It says on there, Animal Kingdom 20, 1998 to 2018, limited release. Oh, that just makes my heart sore. Lindsay, you did so good. I love that so much. And then this one is a mystery pin. I have never opened one of these live before. I always feel like, I don't know, I don't want to open it or something, but it's a thing. So we've got 2 mystery pins. Lindsay, I'm telling you, y'all need to go and follow this girl and subscribe, because she's just the best. Let me get the scissors and open this. I feel like this vlog is like a rambling mess, but that's okay. I'm gonna film another one later today that I'll put up in a couple days. That'll be about like something that is cohesive and not just me rambling. Oh, cute. Oh, I like that. So would you like to see it, or should I just keep it to myself? So it's Daisy Duck, and she has a camera, and it looks like she is taking some pictures on the safari, and it says Disney's Animal Kingdom, and it's pink and green. Pink and green are like my favorite combination, so I love that one. And then the next one, hold please. And y'all know the fun thing about pin trading is when you do these mystery packs, if you don't love them, if you love them, fantastic, keep them. If you don't, you can trade them. Oh, too funny. Oh, they match. Okay, and then this is Donald. Same kind of a thing. Here's Donald, except for he's taking pictures and he just took a picture of himself and the flash went off in his face. So Donald, how hard is it to take a picture? That's funny. So it's kind of ironic that Lindsay and I are both vloggers and that the pins both have Daisy and Donald taking pictures. Don't you think that's funny? I think that's awesome. So I'm keeping those as well. Okay, so that is what I am up to today. There is one more thing that I got that I wish I had brought down to show you guys, which is a new cap that I love, but I'm gonna put the link to it below as well. It says, I'm done adulting, where are the Disney parks? And I got that on the Shop Disney Park app. That's the only thing that I got in the mail since last time we unboxed anything that I wanted to show you guys. So maybe I'll wear that in my next video. So what's coming up next? Okay, so I'm gonna film a video this week all about Disney Vacation Club and how our vacations have changed. If you didn't see the video that I put up last week with Chantel from DVC by Resale, you're gonna wanna check that out if you're at all interested in Disney Vacation Club. It's long, it's like 30 minutes long, but it's great information because Chantel's way smarter than I am because she does this for a living and she's a broker. So definitely you wanna check that out. My trip is in, hold please. Let's see when, okay, if you guys don't have the Days to Go app, it's super fun because it pulls up how many days to go till your Disney trip. Oh my gosh, okay, 18 days. 18 days to go. Oh, and look, Spaceship Earth right there for me. So I'm also gonna film a couple of packing videos. I'm actually thinking about checking a bag, which we don't normally do because normally I just carry everything on, but there's two issues. The first one is we bought those really, really cheap tickets on Delta where you don't find out your seat and you're usually in the last boarding group. So the odds of them taking my bag to put under the plane anyway are pretty good. And we're doing Magical Express. So I'm like, you know what? Maybe I'll break my own rule and go ahead and check a bag and then I don't have to mess with it because we get in at like 9 o'clock in the morning and we're going straight to Hollywood Studios where we're riding Slinky Dog Coaster. So we're super excited about that. Can you tell I'm super excited about that? I'm trying to think what other firsts we're doing. Of course, all of Toy Story Land will be first. Oh, and I know what I have to tell you guys. So the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, we did that and Nancy won, and yay Nancy, I'm so excited for you. It's been growing so quickly that we're now almost at 2,000 subscribers, which cannot even get over it. But I'm thinking of doing, and I want y'all's feedback if I should do this, a Toy Story Land themed giveaway, because 2,000 subscribers is a big deal, and y'all know how much I love to give stuff away. So I'm thinking I'll try to pick up some park official merch for Toy Story Land opening. I actually have a friend who has a t-shirt shop. She shall not be named because it may not work out, and I don't want to disappoint you guys, but I'll give you a hint. They used to be Sprinkle Me Disney, so I'll let you see if you can figure that out. And it's actually Waits World, Missy from Waits World, so I'll put the link below because they just went through a lot of changes, so they would love some support right now. But she's talking about maybe giving you guys a shirt for me to give away, so I'm super excited about that. So that's all I got. I hope you're having a magical day. If you're new, I promise I don't always just look at the camera and ramble. Walter, chill out. That's Walter. He's my little dog. He freaks out. Plus, I've been traveling, so he missed me. Subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you see and what you want to see in future videos. What do you want me to get a picture of when I'm there in a couple weeks? Thank you for being here. Thanks for celebrating all of this with me. Congrats to Nancy R. Have a magical day, and I will see you next time. Bye.